guys, today we are going to make something special, and at the end you will be knowing what it is about.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Our channel is Time Pass. Today we are going to cook egg pakora, which is so delicious. You can have a glance on our video. Come on guys. Now come to the recipe guys. The main ingredients are, the first one useful is, first we need eggs. Take plenty of eggs according to the members, for how many you need to cook. Take water, onions, chopped onions which are in the shape of square. Then take pudina just for decoration. If you have, you can take it, or else no need. Turmeric, and this is pepper, and this is not coriander, jeera powder, and chopped onions. This is chili, and then lemon, spiced lemon, and capsicum into cubes, and this is gram flour, which is even called as basin powder, and salt. Now we are going to now I'm going to chop the eggs into cubes. It's not difficult, you can easily do it. See, you have to chop all the eggs like this and keep it aside. Now what you have to do is add some water according to the batter you want to mix, and after adding water you have to add little bit of salt in it. Okay, and then you have to add gram flour. Add gram flour according to how much batter you want and according to how many persons you are going to cook. Add it first, then you have to stir it. See, you have to start stirring it. It's a bit easy to stir, the people who don't know, and start mixing the flour. You have to mix it, you have to stir it like this, and then you have to add little pinch of turmeric, and then jeera powder, and then little bit of pepper powder for taste and essence. Then later stir it. Finally the batter is completed. If you want, you can even add garam masala. Now pour olive oil, as it is good for health and heart. Now pour it into the pan. Don't pour up to the bin. Just pour little quantity, so that when you keep it now, it will just fly or come outside of the pan. Now fill only oil up to half of the shallow pan. Take always the shallow pan, okay? Now pour all these chopped eggs into the batter, or else you can keep one by one and dip it into the oil. Pour it into the oil, sorry, don't dip it. Okay, now let's come to the oils side and see, once you dip it.
As my sister is doing something crazy, so I want to be part of it, and I'm going to be voiceover for her channel. And right now, some amazing bubbling.
See, the egg pakoda is going to be almost done. Now we are going to remove it from the pan. So guys, be much careful. See, now we are going to remove it. Before that, keep the tissue paper into the bowl. So that the oil gets absorbed and it will be healthy. See guys, we are shifting it into the bowl. See guys, now I am going to heat up some chilies and add some salt, so that it will be so good to have with pakodas. So guys, whatever the capsicum was there, no, I have roasted it with the leftover batter, and I have mixed with this, so that it will be a bit very crunchy while eating the eggs. You have seen, now I have roasted this in oil. Now I'll add little bit of salt to it, so that it will be very juicy during eating. Now add it to it, and now add these onions which are in cubes. Add these onions which are in the form of cubes, and little bit of these sliced onions. Add pinch of salt to everything, and then little bit of pepper, and then little jeera. Whoever don't like jeera, then no need to add it. Now this is pudina, just for decoration, and then add little bit of pudina for decoration, and lemon. That's it, guys. It's so tasty. I think so. Now my brother is going to taste it and give me the review, bro. I hope it
Guys, here I'm just going to
squeeze.
squeeze the lemon here, and then I'm going to taste it. I guess it is sounding crunchy, but I don't know how the taste is going to be. So I'm just trying now this capsicum wala with some onion here. Not only it looks very crunchy, it also tastes crunchy. Okay, now I'm going to taste this egg. I can't find egg here. Where is the egg?
It's bit down, bro.
Okay, I'm going to try this egg. I think you can hear the sound. Yeah. You know the chaat masala you have added at the last with the salt, it's too crunchy. I
Thank
didn't
you.
expect this from my sister, but what to do? It sounds so great, at the same time it tastes so great.
Yes,
So
it's-
have to appreciate her. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, it's very, the outside climate is, it is somewhat, it is raining outside, it's drizzling outside. I think this is the fantastic snack you can have at this particular environment. So just try it out and let us know how it comes out for you.
Yeah, finally try it out in your homes, guys. Chill with your family in this lockdown and stay safe, guys. Keep shining.